Hi everyone, Anjita this side. So I found this interesting extension called VS Code Pets. So basically what it does is it puts a small pet inside your VS Code editor. It can be a cat, dog, just walking around while you code. So today I'm going to show you what it does and how you can set it up. It's a free extension for VS Code, completely open source. It gives you a small pet that lives inside your editor. I know it may sound silly, but once you try it, it's a little nice thing to have it on your screen when you're working. Now, let me show you this quickly. It's generally just 10 seconds job. So you just have to go to extensions and then over here search for VS Code Pets. So this one has more than 2.5 million downloads. You see, this is the one which I'm talking about. So this is installed now. Okay. Now what you can do, you can go to preference, you can go to settings and over here search for VS Code Pets. Now it will show you the settings for the VS Code Pets. Now what we can do in case you want to change the size of the pet, let's say I want to make it large. Okay. If you want to change the type of the pet, let's say I want to make it dog. I'll keep the position as explorer only. Let's keep it like this. By the way, they have themes also. So I'm going to select winter theme over here. Okay. And rest of the things are the default one. Now let's close it. And if I'm back on the main screen, you see here we have inside VS Code, I have the winter theme and my pet rolling over here. You can also add multiple pets also. It's up to you. So what you can do, it's not limited to just one pet. You can run create pet again and then you will have multiple pets hanging out together. If you want to have more pets, you can have that also. For example, if I'm just searching over here pet, now you see there's so many options over here. Throw the ball, spawn the pet, remove the pet, or even delete the pet also. So let me do one thing. Let me just click on throw the ball. Now you see. Now let's say if I want to do something else over here. Now I'm saying spawn the pet. And if over here you can select your pet. For example, bunny, cat, chicken. There are different options over here. Let's select fox over here. And I'm selecting the red fox. Okay. And now you can just name your pet. I'm going to name it Moscow. Okay. So now I have my pet. Now we have two pets over here. You see? So this is just for fun. You can just click on any pet and it will follow your cursor. You see? I know some of you may feel that this is a distraction. Yes, if you have a deadline, maybe then don't add three animals on your screen. But otherwise, it's a very nice, harmless little addition and doesn't cost anything, doesn't slow down your system, and it just makes your editor feel like a little less boring. Okay, so that's all about today's video. That's a VS Code Pets and it's free. It just takes 10 seconds to install. Give it a try and I'm sure you're going to love it. And let me know in the comment section which pet you picked and what you named it. Okay, so that's it for today's video. If this was helpful, do like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.